Easy Fiverr gigs to make money. Hello guys, welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Fiverr is a very popular micro-gig site and thousands of people that made a regular income from it. Now, obviously, if you have the skills like coding, programming, writing, and graphic design, you can make more money. But our video won't be touching on those skills. We will look at ways to make money. Stay tuned and watch. Deliver a message or write a message. Create a Fiverr gig. Be creative here. Offer a gig that delivers a message. It can be anything like you holding a board with a message on it. Or you could even write something on a beach during sunrise/sunset. This Fiverr gig can be charged minimum $5 for each. If you are taking a bit more effort, you could charge even more. We have seen people dressing up as something or somebody while delivering a message, and the surprising part is that they sell well. Just look at the Fiverr gigs that are from this category, and you can see the success these people have just for writing a message. You need to be creative, of course, but it is so easy to do this. Social media manager as a Fiverr gig. If you use Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter daily, you could easily take up this gig. This is one of the easiest Fiverr gigs out there, and also you won't get bored of it. Social media management usually involves creating some posts and growing your client's Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter account. You could easily charge around $20 to $30 for month-long management when starting. As the page grows and you bring in more followers, you can charge more. It's a simple gig you need to try. Content writing. If you know any language fluently, then this one can suit you well. You could provide services like writing blog posts, letters, articles, and much more. You can charge anywhere around $5 to $20, or even more when you gain experience, for each article. This gig can be challenging at first when you start. You likely have no idea how to write an article, but as you keep writing, you will start getting the hang of it, and eventually you can proudly call yourself a professional and even charge more. Whiteboard animation. We bet you wouldn't have thought of this one being on the list of easy Fiverr gigs. Whiteboard animation is not as tough as you think it is. There are a bunch of software out there that makes this job so much easier, and you could make a video in just about 1 to 3 hours. The one software we would recommend using is VideoScribe. It's one of the best software for making these types of videos. It's also pretty cheap at just $8 per month. You could easily charge more than $30 to $50 for each video once you start earning from this gig. The future looks bright, and you could incorporate more into this later on as you gain experience. Writing comments on blogs. Easiest Fiverr gig. This is the easiest gig you can on Fiverr, and yes, many people do this as a full-time job. You can make easy money just by engaging with blogs, which mainly include commenting. Just make sure that you read the whole article before commenting. The only thing to keep in mind while commenting is that do not be a robot and make those comments look spammy. People charge around $5 for posting 10 comments. The more comments you write per order, the more you can earn. This is not valuable in the long run, but if you're looking for easy money, it is definitely a great one. Design something on Canva. Canva is truly a great place for designing, and the best part is anyone can do it. Even beginners who have no prior knowledge can design on Canva. When listing this gig on Fiverr, you should specify that you will be using Canva to design. You could sell this gig for at least $5, and when you gain experience and rating, you may increase the price. Canva is also a great place to get some insight into the basics of graphic design, and later on you can turn this into a full-blown career. Do a voiceover for videos. YouTubers or other video makers may be looking for people who may do voiceovers for their videos. If you have a good accent in any one language, that would be enough. But if you don't want to use your own voice, you could use an AI voiceover called Speechilo. It's really great and doesn't sound like a robotic voice, but make sure that you mention it's an AI voiceover in your gig. You can charge $5 for 200 words when starting. Don't forget to increase your price, because we have seen some people charging over $30 for just 50 words. Language translator. Translation. Do you know any 2 languages in an okay-ish way? Offer this service. and you could earn anywhere from $5 per gig. Translating may include document translating, audio translating, and more. This is perfect for those multilingual people out there who want to make more money. Proofreading. Proofreading is the process of reading an article and marking or correcting the error in them. The error may be grammatical, spelling mistakes, etc. So make sure that you are good at any language before you take up this job. You can sell this for $5 for 1,000 words. Playing games. Weird Fiverr gig. This might sound a little bit weird, but this stupid, weird gig on Fiverr actually exists. There are many boys/men who really want to play games with girls, and there are people who pay to do that. Some games include PUBG, Fortnite, Overwatch, etc., which are multiplayer online games. Many girls are selling this gig, and you could do it too. You could charge $5 for each game or for each hour. It's easy money. So these are the easiest Fiverr gigs out there. You just need to work on it and build up your buyers. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.